Previously on my Yamaha RD400 project, I finally got the oil leak fixed. Well, partially, only to find out the clutch had stopped working.
The clutch isn't working.
Hey, thanks for tuning in to Duct Tape Garage. The last time that you saw this bike, the clutch wouldn't work. After I fixed a oil leak. Well, I tried to fix an oil leak. Spoiler alert, the leak's still here. There's a puddle on the floor under the bike. And it's time to work on this clutch that quit working after I tried to repair it last time. Let's pull this case off and see what we can find. First things first, let's take this gear shifter off of here. Okay, now this is the third time I took this mangled up screw off. Let's try it this time. I'll be honest, I don't know what I'm looking at here. From what I can tell, this clutch should be working. Well, I don't see anything. I'm tempted to put this on and just put the top two screws in and see what it seems like. There's a little ball in here, but it's there. I'll just tighten this down, and I don't understand why it wouldn't work. Let's try rotating the tire and see if there's any resistance. First, we need to make sure it's in gear. Yep. I can see the nut on the stator turning. Does that mean it's in gear? It turns easier than I thought it would. So I think I originally didn't have the cover lined up with the clutch rod, and the clutch rod was pushed in all the time. Let's finish putting it together and we'll see if I'm right. Less than 1 volt. That thing's dead. Well, I guess I'm not taking this thing riding today. The battery's completely dead after last time I tried to take it for a ride. I think I have the clutch fixed, and I'm going to put this on the charger and we'll see if it runs. All right, this thing still wouldn't work. So I ended up taking this side cover off, and there's which I didn't look before, inside this little cover, there's a set screw with a lock nut. And I pulled out the manual just to see if I was missing anything. And it explains how to adjust the clutch using that set screw. You're supposed to turn it in until it puts tension on the clutch rod and then back it out a quarter turn. I'm going to give it a shot. I don't know why anything would have changed from taking it apart and fixing the shift shaft, but this is the last resort for this clutch. All right, I have to put this cover back on. I'm getting really good at taking this cover off and on. And surprisingly, this messed up screw doesn't seem to be phased. The clutch feels fine. All right, I tried to adjust this. It moves in and out. The clutch has play, but when it's in gear, I can push it like it's not in gear. It's in gear, the light's not on. I shouldn't be able to move it. What happened? Is there something on the clutch basket side? There's a rod that goes through to the other side where the clutch basket is. I didn't touch the rod, but is it possible that the rod came out and shimmied a little bit or came out of place? I don't think it's possible. What in the heck? The clutch, it feels like it's doing its job. All right, I'm gonna try adjusting this because even though this has play, that still might be too tight. Jeez. Now it's loose. There's no play on it at all. It's in gear. The clutch has no tension. Let's see if it resists itself. Yes. There we go. It was that stupid adjustment. I'll turn this in until it touches. Back off. Snug that down. All right, now I need to adjust this. All right, it's stuck. Clutch in. Yay. That was it. Boy, am I glad I have this manual. I'm going to put this thing together, and if you see me riding this thing next, you'll know it works. I noticed the clutch is slipping, so I better go back and adjust it. All right, let's see if that did anything. Well, there you have it. That's what it needed. As you can see from some of the video, the bike isn't running like it should, but it's been sitting all winter. Hopefully I blew some of the cobwebs out of it and it'll start to run better. I'll put some fresh gas in it. We've got some more content coming up on this thing with some suspension upgrades because I'm a lot bigger than the guy that owned it back in 1985. So we'll also have that coming.